Faster, make a big snow angel. Go.
See, I did.
Aw, it's so cute.
Now I'm gonna make a little one.
Okay, do a little one. Keep going. No, you gotta keep going. Oh, why are you going that way? Spread your legs. Are you swimming?
Yeah.
In the snow? What's this? This tractor?
Yeah!
Go throw a snowball?
Yeah.
Let me see it. Throw it at me.
I'll put some at you.
Throw one at me. Oh, you missed.
Snow on you. Ow.
Snowball.
I'm gonna make a.
Oh, got ya. That was awesome. All right, Hayden, let's see you go. Ooh, Liam wiped out. That's so cool. There you go. Wiggle down, wiggle. Good job.
Look at the old granny go. Real mature, Mom, real mature. You barely made it. Zoom up. This. Do it again, I dare you.
I will.
Then do it.
You're old granny.
If you can make it all the way down, you're mature enough. Oh, really? You videotape.
Oh, who's the old granny? No, he's not. Come here. You want to get on there and snowboard?
Yeah.
Look at what Hayden's doing.
Oh.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, one more time.
No, let him do it now.
Okay.
Okay.
Do it now.
All right, Liam, get your feet in there. Put one there. Hold on. Little dude, get your feet in there good. Ready? Whoa!
Yeah.
Close enough.
Do it.
Go, Johnny. Balance, okay?
Hey, but bend your knees.
Woo, Johnny boy. Watch out, Liam. Woo, look at him go. Holy crap, Johnny. Oh! Oh my gosh. That was awesome, dude. Best one yet. Get in there. Nope, turn around. Turn around this way.
Let him go make it this far.
There you go. Okay, ready, Liam?
Yeah.
Scoot yourself. Go. There you go. Keep going. Woo! Good job. Let me see you.
Yeah.
Say, Dad, that's how we do it.
That's how you do it.
Come on, let's go inside. Let's go get some hot chocolate.
Yeah.